Back here with a look at HBAR Hedera HASHGRAPH. Last video we did, we were looking for an ABC correction, right? And it looks like it's very possible that this thing is bottomed. Okay, there's a lot of stuff out there in the market looking like we have bottoms possibly coming in. The only other thing I could see going on with this right now, as far as the downward action, would be a fifth wave here. Okay, and what that would be right here, you would have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right? Is that possible? Absolutely. All right. If it takes out this low at 0.186, 0.187, however you'd be looking at a possible push down to 0.178, 0.1783. Okay, that would give you your fifth wave down. And where would that put that on as far as the Fibonacci goes? If we zoom out here, let's see if any levels, just if some stuff adds up or not. Alright, that would put it down here. Okay, now if we go off our low to the top here, that gives us a 50% retracement. Very, very, very possible, right? No question about it. If we get that last push to the downside, I would be watching this area here for a bottom. Alright, right down about there. Okay, 1786. That would be a fifth wave. Now, if it holds 1868, right? If it holds this area, let's move this down here, right? Right out of the way. I like it so I can see where it's at here. If it holds this area, then we're looking for a push back to the upside. This thing has a long ways to go, guys. No question about it. HBAR has a long run ahead of it. Let's look at a few other things here, okay? We have a trend line coming up through here is another thing. That's a potential support that it hit right there. All right, now if it does break that, there's a couple things lining up here. You have a trend line, and you also have a possible bottom here. If this starts back up, all right, from here, the first target would be up around 21.2 to 21.6. Okay, that would be the target. Right, if it gets up through that area, then we're heading up towards 25 cents. Right, so it all depends on what happens right in here right now. If it loses this low, it has one more push down. If it holds that low, then this would be your next target. If it gets through 0.217, then you're looking up here towards 0.255. Hey, check this out very quick, guys. I'm using a new leverage trading site called Margex. I like it a lot. The charts are super fast. You can customize it however you want it. You can pull it down here and make your chart bigger, however you want it, right? Here's a daily chart, all right, no lag. I like it. Here's a daily. Let's go to a 15 minute. All right, here's your 15 minute right here. Load it up. Another thing I like, price alerts right down here. I love my alerts. This is one of the first sites I found that you can actually use price alerts on. But they load up fast. Your tolls work great. Trend line coming up through. Let's see. Click. The tolls work great. And another thing, if you put in your email and a password, all right, look at this over in the wallet. I had my wife do this for the video purposes. They automatically put $50 in a bonus balance in there for you, and that's towards any fees or anything like that. So there's $50 to burn up in trading fees. You get them free for that, and you get a bonus balance for a deposit. They're great. I really like them a lot. I've been using it about a week now. Like I said, the charts are fast. That's what I like. If you get fast charts, The good, the sites that get my entries in and out. I'm all over that. That's what a trader wants, right? I mean, that's basically what all of us want. Fast charts is number one, right? And you want to get that good entry, so you need fast charts. It has your order book over here to the right. It has a lot of pretty cool stuff in here, like a leverage on Caspa. You could take it. Let's see here what it's got, up to 25x, so it doesn't get ridiculous. Like these sites. I don't have a problem with using high leverage as long as I get a perfect entry. If this trend line, if this was coming up, and it was bullish or whatever, I'd look for an entry, on the trend line. Or if this is going to come up and get rejected, I'll look for an entry in the rejection. And you want perfect entries for high leverage, right? Let's see what here. There's Caspa. Let's see. Now watch how fast this loads up. Compare this to other, something. Look at that. There's Bitcoin. 60x. What can you take it up to? 100. All right. So please check Margex out. Go sign up for that Discord. That's a level 3 membership over in the description of the video, and come join us trading. We have over 170 members in there. We would love to have you. We have an alt season coming, guys. This is when you make your money. Over there in groups, we are normally we are smashing it. Okay, we got some great traders in there. HBAR is looking fine. Like I said, watch for this bottom to hold. If it doesn't, down here should be a bottom, and then I'll run back to the upside. But right here, this 212 and 216, that would be the short-term target if this area holds. If that breaks, then this would be the next target up at 0.255. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day, and I appreciate you more than you know. Talk to you soon.